Hello, everybody, and welcome back. It's the 8th of March, 2021. We have been through 3 lockdowns, through so much in the last year, and yet here we are all back in school together, which is just wonderful. At Grange, we have our CC way to how to be a CC learner. We know what that stands for: great caring attitude, trying our best, learning, especially from our mistakes, which help us to learn. We go for improvement and progress. We use our education to help us to make great choices, and we never give up. We know that physical strength is important, to exercise well, eat well, sleep well, but we know that the true strength comes from character strength. That's being your very best, and that's can help you to overcome any challenge and help you to solve any problem that you face, which is why we always say the big question to ask yourself when you face a problem is, which character strength am I going to use? I want you to know, children, you are the survive and thrive generation. You have been through so much. We've all been through so much, but you've survived it, and you are going to thrive because you're back at school now. You're going to bounce back even stronger, and you know that what's got us through all of this is kindness, when people have looked out for each other and really helped each other, and that's the CC way. And the character strength I want to talk about is called prudence. And prudence means you don't just act. You are the boss of yourself. You are in control of yourself. So before you act, you think to yourself, what are the consequences of my actions? If I make a choice, what is going to happen? Is that a choice that is good for me and good for everybody else? That is being prudent. If I think like that and act like that, and if I think and act like that, that is having prudence. And that's our character strength of the week. That's our focus of the week. As we come back from lockdown, we're also excited to see each other, but we are prudent. We make sure that we keep everybody safe. You can see the sign over here, an adult helping a child across the road. If you're a driver and you see the sign, it wakes you up and it says, be careful, slow down, don't drive too fast. Be prudent. Think about what you're doing so that you don't knock over anybody or hurt anybody. And if you're crossing the road, look to see if there are cars coming. That's our Grange CC way. That's our philosophy for life. Our gold stars are Sarwar and Reza and Shaista and Mahdi and Mora and Zikreya and Tebarek and Asia and Bavita and Mario and Diana and Haida and Adam and Wissam and Habiz and Aliyah and let's see, the Grange House of Water, Pharrell, Grace, Wissam, flying in his Bavita, Nora, and the swivel goes to Cosmina. And in the Grange House of Fire, Ryan Rushil flying in his Isaac, Princess, and the swivel goes to Haida. And in the Grange House of Air, with the House of the Week with 8,296 points, Razor flying in his Mora, Yusuf, and Dua gets a swivel. Well done. Grange House of Earth, Jody, Alicia, Diction, Divian flying in his Michelle, Lena, and the swivel goes to Evelina. Well done. Grange Community, brilliant, 31,039 points this afternoon, which is brilliant. Classy classes, Tubman class, as usual, brilliant work. Gandhi class, fantastic performance. But the swivel goes to Churchill class with 1,705 points, which is brilliant. We set ourselves our target. We're on our way to smashing it. We've had Freddie, we've had the reindeer, we're going to get the pot plants from last half term. This half term, I'm looking at a nice, messy, fun way getting back. The service road outside the year 6 classrooms. At the end of the half term, we'll see who the classy classes are. You get to put your handprint on there in paint on the wall. There's a quiz coming up. Please be prudent. Please think of yourselves and think of others. Stay in your bubble. Wash your hands. Help the adults to social distance. That is being prudent. Use your character strength. It is brilliant to have you back. They survive and thrive generation, the bounce back kids of Grange. Let's be great. Let's be Grange. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration, with character strength. The focus of the week, prudence. Let's enjoy the week ahead. Let's be safe and happy. Let's learn together, respect each other, achieve our potential. It's so wonderful to be back. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.